Big salute on this Friday morning. It is 8:45 a.m. 8:45 a.m. and a big salute to everybody taking the time out and checking out this video today. And we have a power calisthenics routine with a 12 kg kettlebell, which is going to consist of the following: 26 count burpees. We've got a 12 kg kettlebell, and we'll be doing 20 jump squats with this, but it's not going to be consecutive jump squats. They're going to be in sequences, which I will explain and share and show to you as I do the workout. 26 count burpees, 10 Navy SEALs, and then 10 3 pump jump squats, again, which is basically doing 3 jump squats in one set. That's one, and then we'll be doing the same, repeating that for 10 rounds. And then we have 5 double Navy SEALs, and then 5 times 5 pump jump squats. We'll be doing that for 2 rounds, and then the other 2 rounds is bodyweight routine. So we're going to be combining the jump squats and the burpees together. So then the round 2, or if you want to call it transfer 2, round, whatever you want to call it, is that'll be 26 count burpees and 20 jump squats. We'll be doing that. So 1 6 count, 1 jump squat. Then it's another 6 count and then another jump squat. We're doing that for 20 reps. Same sequence for the Navy SEAL, where we 5 Navy SEALs, 3 jump squats, and 1 Navy SEAL, 3 jump squats, doing that times 10, and then a double Navy SEAL, which is a 5 pump Navy SEAL, and then 5 jump squats. We're doing that 5 times as well, and that'll be 2 rounds as well. So power calisthenics, good work for the legs. It's going to test my legs out as well in terms of my explosive strength, and that's the key, is the explosive strength. I've got the burpees as well to give me a nice stamina blend, if you like. But let's get to work, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Big salute to everybody watching, as always. Right, we start off with the 6 count burpees. I'm still learning a bit more about kettlebells, how to hold them, how to use them. So it's a tool that I'm looking to use a lot more. All right, so we start with 26 count burpees. 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 2 3 4 5 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 1 2 3 4 5 4 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 7 1 2 3 4 5 8 1 2 3 4 5 9 1 2 3 4 5 10 1 2 3 4 5 11 1 2 3 4 5 12 1 2 3 4 5 13 1 2 3 4 5 14 1 2 3 4 5 15 1 2 3 4 5 16 1 2 3 4 5 17 1 2 3 4 5 18 1 2 3 4 5 19 1 2 3 4 5 and 20. Nice warm up. Okay, now I'll try and hold the kettlebell. Still learning how to hold it, so there'll be some deficiencies, if you like, but essentially we'll hold the kettlebell up in this position. Now I've got 2 ways. Either I can go up like this, but that isn't as strong enough for me, and that's quite easy in terms of weight. So what we'll be doing is we'll be lifting up, prime position, 1, and then going up, 2, 3, 4, Still learning how to hold the kettlebell. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. That's tough. Plus you get a good arm workout. It's like I think they call it snatch or hold. Right, now, Navy SEALs, 10 Navy SEALs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, the toughest with these kettlebells is when you use equipment. Using equipment is harder and it's a tester for your stamina. So if you're doing bodyweight squats, or the stamina's not so testing. Right, so same thing. This time, do the same thing, but 3 pump jump squats, 10 times. So, lift up in this position. So we're going to be ready in this position. So you have to be, I think you have to be a little wide with these ones. So, that's 1. That's 2. 3. Tough. 'But it's so good for the explosive power. 4. 5. 6. Get a kettlebell that's obviously testing, right? 7, 8, 1st time I'm doing these, so 9, last one. Ouch, 10. They're hard. Right, rest up. Now, we're doing double Navy SEALs, 5 double pump Navy SEALs, and we're doing that sequence 5 times. 5 pumps, 5 pump squats, jump squats. So, get the Navy SEALs in, 5 reps. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting these kettlebells in. Feel the breath. What I say to myself is, feel the breath as you're training. When you're trying to catch your breath, focus on the breath. Focus on it. Don't let it dwindle. Slow breathing. Right, back to these bad boys. 5 reps of each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh. All right, catch your breath and go again. 3. This is really gonna strengthen your power. 4. Last one in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tough. Right, that's one round in. Right, so we're doing that 1 round more, getting them in, and then focusing on the body weight after. So 26 count burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 20. Shake your legs off. It's going to get challenging. Focus on your breath. Breathe. Breathe nice and slow. This is going to be a good name for this. Fireball. Maybe I've used that before. Powerball. Or bell power. If you're using kettlebells. Right, so 20 reps. And the good thing is you're getting an arm workout as well, because you're doing the snatch. So, right, lift it up. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rest, short rest. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Lost your balance. 19. Oops. And 20. Catch your breath. All right. So, Navy SEALs. We'll get through them. And then it's just a simple, harder task, the hard task of body weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, loving this look. 7, 8, 9, 10. We are training hard this morning. Right, 3 pumps. We'll get through them. Easy work. Stretch your legs off a little bit, because I'll be in pain as you do this. Right, let's go. So you lift it up. One, 2, 3. What I was taught is to not go below 90 degrees as you're jumping, because you lose flow of rhythm. So just go slightly below or at 90 degree. So like this. 2, 3. Even though I still have I'm guilty of doing down below 90 degree. 4, 5. Keep going. 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. Come on, Joe. 3 more. This is tough. 9, 8. Sorry, not 9. 9. Ow. Last one. And 10. Superb. Superb. Right. Shake your legs off. Go into the last set for these, which is 5 of each. And then we're on to body weight, which is going to be hard. One. 2. 3. 3, 4, 5. Right, last set with the kettlebells. So 5 pump of each. Alright, let's go. Let's just focus on 1 rep at a time. Okay, 1 rep at a time. One. Oh, come on. It's not easy. Two more with the kettlebells, 3 more with the kettlebells. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. One champ, let's keep moving. 2 more, and we're done with this sequence. Last one. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Alright guys, then that's that part of the exercise done. Now we're going into the body weight after a minute rest. Stretch your legs out. Now we're in body weight. Now notice how explosive your power is going to feel. Just notice this. This is amazing. Right. So now we're doing 6 counts with a jump squat. Pure body weight now. Catch your breath. Focus on 1 rep at a time. So essentially, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. They're not easy. Wait till they start to hurt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. Shake them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Wow, my legs are gonna die. And plus I've got to go trekking after this. So this is probably not the best idea. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. Come on, champ, nearly there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 20. Got some water behind me. Shake your legs off. Shit, man. Right. So now, 10 reps of Navy SEAL 3 jump squats. Shake your legs off. It's not going to be easy. You get through them. No rushing. Just pain. Pure, unadulterated pain. Just worried about my legs. One. 2. 3. Wow. 4. Come on, champ, keep going. You just really are killing your legs off. 5. Let's go. 6. Reps equals reputation. 7. Every single rep. 8. 2 more. 9. Nearly there, last one. It's getting really dark here. Hopefully it's not raining. And 10. Rest. Keep going, champ. Right. Right, so now, double pump Navy Seals, 5 jump squats times 5. This workout is a massive, massive tick. No cut corners, no bullshit. That's my channel's all about. No cutting corners, no bullshit, no ego reps. Just pure work, hard work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 2. One, 2, 3, yeah. That's 3. 2 more. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one. Holy shit. Come on, champ. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest up, guys. We're into our final round. Final round, guys. So back to 1 pump, 1 jump squat. Let's get them in. It's been a fantastic workout. Really have enjoyed this one. Not far from being one of our best programs. Right, the challenge of 6 counts and 1 jump squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. We're doing well. Doing really well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. About 5 minutes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 10. 10 more in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14. Fuck. Come on, champ, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16. Come on, champ, do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17. Elasticity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18. 2 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. Alright guys, I'm nearly there. My legs are on fire. Literally, they are on fire right now. Right, shake them off. 10 Navy Seals, 3 jump squats. Okay, let's keep going. One. 1, 2, 3. 2. Oh man, we're getting there. Fatigue, physical and mental. Big push. Three. Fucking hell, man. I'm just too tired. That's 4. Halfway through, come on. Nearly there. Nearly there. Five. Try to get that power in. Nearly there. See, I'm guilty of going below 90 degrees there. It made it harder to lift up or shoot up. Come on, champ, nearly there. 7, 8, 9. Oh man. 10. Although I feel like I've missed one, so I'm gonna do one more. I just feel like I've missed one, and I don't want to cut corners or do ego reps. And 10. All right, I'm loving this. I'm glad we got through it. Right, now we're doing 5 double Navy SEALs, 5 jump squats times 5, another workout. We're loving it. Great work. This has been exceptional work. Very pleased. Sets me up for the day. Right, let's go. And also, the best thing is I've noticed my Navy SEALs, my form and my strength. Pushing strength has got a lot better. I'm delighted. My form, I know, feels a lot better as well. Two, only 3 more, champ. Only 3 more. Oh yeah, 1. Oh yeah, 2. Oh yeah, 3. Oh yeah, 4. Oh yeah. 2 more. Nearly there, guys. Catch your breath. Reset. Just feel your mind and body. You need to connect with your mind and body when you're really needing to push, to give you that second wind. Ah, so glad I've done it. Last one. Three, 4. Ow. And we're done, guys. Holy shit. All right, guys, that was tough. Your legs are gonna feel it in the morning if you do this. So I'm telling you, I think I'm gonna struggle up and down the stairs. This is power calisthenics for you today, for your legs. Works your full body because of the snatch of the kettlebell when you're doing the jump squats, but that really will work your explosive power and also your endurance. your legs will feel amazing when you do bodyweight squats, bodyweight jump squats. The idea is to make those exercises a lot more easier, and for you to do higher reps. If you do add more weight to these jump squats, it's a game changer. I'll tell you that for now. All right, guys. Performance, I'm giving myself a good 9 out of 10 because I'm pleased with that performance. Difficulty the same. Wasn't easy at all. All right, guys. Peace out.